I heard you're here for the open house.
We are.
All right, come on in. I'm gonna give you a tour, a sneak peek before anyone else.
Great.
So come on in. I'm gonna show you this nice big living room first. I love this space because it's huge. It's got lots of natural light. I love the fireplace. I love this molding. It's gonna be great for entertaining, great for relaxing. Now just off here to the right, we have a garage and a bathroom. Really convenient. Here's your large garage. The washer dryer can go in here. All right, now follow me around here. I love this space as well. It has lots of natural light. Really nice to have a little sunroom or extra eating space. Overlooks your gorgeous backyard, which I'll show you in a minute. I love this room as well. It's gonna be a nice place to entertain. And then check out this kitchen. I love these countertops. Cabinets are great. Updated appliances, everything you need. And then come on through here. I love that we can still have a formal dining room, nice neutral paint color. And still another room on this first floor. Plenty of room for entertaining. You can also do a first floor home office, anything you like. Now let me show you the outside space. Come on through. This house boasts a huge backyard right there. Just imagine if the weather is nice, you can be out here grilling, friends are playing, you're entertaining. Tons of space out here. It's got another level down here. It's a huge, gorgeous yard. What about the bedrooms? I'll show you those next. I'm going to take you through to the main bedroom first. And this bedroom is very spacious. Look at all this room and you have additional space right here. Look at this. It just keeps going back. This is great for storage. This could also be a closet. It could be an office. I love the skylights. Now you have a nice luxury bathroom here. Check this out. I love the fixtures and finishes on the shower. You have a door through to the commode. Double sinks, which is wonderful. And your own walk-in closet. And then follow me. Upstairs still has 3 more bedrooms. I love how there's nice neutral paint colors, lots of natural light. You have your hall bathroom right here. And then 2 more additional bedrooms. Look at this. Lovely windows overlooking. They all have nice sized closets. And then another one here. Still a great space. This house has plenty of room, gorgeous floors, and a lovely backyard. I'll see you at the open house.